The Mini Cooper is a small and eco-friendly car, and it's great for zipping around town, and it's very easy to park on crowded city streets. It offers plenty of charm and a very enjoyable and engaging ride. Its fun-loving nature has made it very popular since its introduction many years ago. The Mini was first released in 1959 as the world's first landscape front-engine, front-wheel drive car. Its excellent performance and light handling are mostly appreciated on a twisty back road. With its front-wheel drive, the car never falls at risk of spinning out, even with changes in throttle position or braking in the middle of corners. The exterior takes design cues inherited directly from the classic, including its long wheelbase, large round headlights, short tails and a selection of chic colors. It offers plenty of personalization options and dealer-installed accessories to make it more appealing. It comes with a McPherson strut front suspension, making it flat and stable in corners and absorbs small bumps and joints without discomforting passengers. This is a 5-door SUV and a 5-seater car with 2 row seats. The Cooper comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, cruise control, and you can expect thrilling handling and quick responses to driver inputs. It also comes with a rear spoiler for a smooth flow of air at the back, disrupting and preventing lift, thus improving grip on the road. The tailgate-style truck opening has an upper package tray that can be raised to accommodate large items to fit in the tiny trunk. The interior is surprisingly spacious for 2 people. The cabin feels airy and you'll find no shortage of legroom or headroom. But the back seats are barely big enough to accommodate small passengers. It comes with a massive center-mounted speedometer, a tilt and telescoping leather-wrapped steering wheel, a height adjustable driver's seat, and leatherette upholstery. The rear seat offers about 5.7 cubic feet, but with the seats folded flat increases to about 24 cubic feet. It includes the following accessories and features: keyless entry, power steering, power window, AC, airbag, ABS, ESC, AM/FM radio, CD player and more. It is equipped with a maximum engine torque of 24.5 kg/m per 1600 to 5000 rpm and a maximum engine power of 184 PS per 5500 rpm. The engine is N18B16A and has an engine size of 1590 cc. It has a 6MT transmission, petrol fuel, and its fuel consumption is about 16.2 km per liter on average. If you are interested in buying a BMW Mini Cooper, or if you are interested in buying other Mini models at a low price, please visit bforward.jp. You can also send your inquiries to top@bforward.jp. If you like this video, please hit like and share it with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of our future videos.